Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 10th for the subject of mathematics, which is being submitted to you on 30th November 2020. Students, in this week, we will be doing a revision test to check the knowledge acquired by you, in which we cover chapter 6 and 16, that is ratio and proportion, and chapter 16 is three-dimensional solids. Clear? So please prepare the chapters and then attempt the revision test. Students, first of all, let us revise both the chapters by discussing few examples. So here, example number 1 is, if now under root 36x plus 1 plus 6 root x upon under root 36x plus 1 minus 6 under root x is equal to 9. Find the value of x. Clear? Now students, you can see that 9, you can write it as 9 upon 1. Now, we will apply componendo and dividendo. Now, students, remember here, whenever we apply componendo, dividendo, we always apply on both sides, right? So, how to apply this? That is numerator plus denominator. You can see numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Clear? And same thing we apply on the other side. That is 9 plus 1 upon 9 minus 1. Clear? Now here, these two terms will get cancelled. That is 6 root x and minus 6 root x in the numerator. They both will get cancelled. Similarly, in the denominator, 36x plus 1 under the root will also get cancelled with the same term with opposite sign. So, after solving this, we will get 2 times square root 36x plus 1 upon 2 times 6 root x. Now students, here 2 and 2 will again get cancelled, and similarly on the other side 9 plus 1 is 10, 9 minus 1 is 8. Here also it will become 5 by 4. Now we can do cross multiplication, or before that we can directly apply squaring both sides. Now students, why squaring both sides? So that we can remove the square root sign. Clear? So what we'll get here? 4 times 36x plus 1 is equal to 225x. Now after solving this, we will get the value of x. So the value of x is 4 upon 81. Clear? Now let us discuss second example. Here, if x equal to 4ab upon a plus b, then prove that x plus 2a upon x minus 2a plus x plus 2b upon x minus 2b is equal to 2. So here the solution is, it is given that x is equal to 4ab upon a plus b. Now let us separate the two. Take 2 from the numerator to denominator on the other side. Now we can see x upon 2a is equal to 2b upon a plus b. In the first case, we have taken 2a in the denominator, and in the second case, we have taken 2b in the denominator. Here students, you can easily write this as, what is 4ab? 4ab ko you can write it as 2a into 2b. Clear? So in first case, 2a is in the denominator, and in second case, 2b is in the denominator. Now the steps are very simple. Just apply componendo dividendo in both the cases separately. Clear? So what we have here, x plus 2a upon x minus 2a, that is equal to 2b plus a plus b. Clear? Upon 2b minus a minus b. Now after solving this, we will get a plus 3b upon b minus a. Similarly, in second case, x plus 2b upon x minus 2b is equal to 2a plus b upon 2a minus b. So that is equal to 3a plus b upon a minus b. Now, on combining these two results, what we will get here? See, now x plus 2a upon x minus 2a plus x plus 2b upon x minus 2b. Now we are going to add the two results on both sides, right? So it is a plus 3b upon b minus a plus 3a plus b upon a minus b. Now children, you can see that in the denominator, the a minus b is of opposite sign. Fine, the denominators are not same. So in order to make the denominator same, what we can do is, we can take minus common from a minus b, which will give it as b minus a. And that common sign will come here. Instead of plus, we will write minus now. Clear? So after solving this, we will get 2b minus 2a upon b minus a. So after taking 2 common, these two terms will get cancelled, and our answer is 2. Clear? We can cancel here b minus a and b minus a. Clear? Now the next example is example number 3. If 7x minus 15y is equal to 4x plus y, then find the value of 9x plus 5y upon 9x minus 5y. And the second part is 3x square plus 2y square upon 3x square minus 2y square. So here the solution is given 7x minus 15y is equal to 4x plus y. Clear? So what we can do is just shift the terms. So 3x is equal to 16y. Now this implies x upon y is 16 upon 3. Now we will be using this further in the question. Now first part is multiplying both sides by 9 upon 5. What we get here? Now children, we have x upon y is equal to 16 upon 3. So we multiply both with 9 upon 5. So we will get here 9x upon 5y is equal to 9 upon 5 into 16 upon 3. Clear? Now, in the given result, we can apply componendo and dividendo. So, it will become 9x plus 5y upon 9x minus 5y. And similarly, 48 plus 5, 48 minus 5. Clear? So, this will give us 53 upon 43. That is the answer of the first part. Clear? Now see, for the second part, what we have to do here is, we will solve in the same manner. See, we know the value of x upon y is 16 upon 3. So, the value of x square upon y square will be 16 square upon 3 square. That is 256 upon 9. Clear? Now, as per the question, we can multiply both sides by 3 upon 2. Clear? Now, after multiplying by 3 upon 2, we will get 128 upon 3. Now, students, what is the next step? Yes, we will apply componendo and dividendo. Clear? So, applying componendo and dividendo, we will get 131 upon 125, which is the answer. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Now, students, the next example is, if A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, prove that square root AB plus square root BC minus square root CD is equal to under the root A plus B minus C, and the other bracket is B plus C minus D. Now, first of all, it is given that A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. So, that is equal to A upon B equals B upon C equals C upon D. Now, let us assume all equal to K. So, this implies C will be equal to dk. Clear? And B will be equal to ck. But children, the value of C is dk here. So here, value of B will become k square d, or you can say dk square. Right? Similarly, A is bk. Right? But the value of B is k square d. So, A will become dk cube, or you can say k cube d. So, the values are A is dk cube, B is dk square, and C is dk. Clear? Now, students, the left hand side is equal to square root AB plus square root BC minus square root CD. Clear? And after substituting the values, we will get, now what was A? A was k cube d. And what was B? B is k square d. Similarly, we'll substitute all the values. Clear? So, this will give us square root k5 d square, then k3 d square, and then k d square. Now children, you can see that in all, here dk under the root is common. Clear? So what is left is k square plus k minus 1. Now we'll keep this as it is. Now let us move to RHS. Now in RHS again, we will substitute the values. Here A is k cube d, B is k square d, and C is kd. Similarly, in the other bracket also, B is k square d, then C is kd, and D we will write it as it is. Now students, here also we can take kd common from the first bracket. So what we are left with? K square plus k minus 1. And from the second bracket, d is common. So we are left with k square plus k minus 1. Now again here we can take this kd square common. So when you take this kd square outside the square root, it will become dk under the root and k square plus k minus 1. Now students, you can see left hand side and right hand side both are equal to each other. So hence proved. Clear?